How to take screenshots on Snapchat without them knowing. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can take a screenshot of their snaps without letting them know. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat app. Now, in order to take a screenshot of their snaps without letting them know, you have to open your screen recorder app. In my case, I'm using this AZ recorder. You can do the same, just turn on the recorder and see their snaps. As you do so, close their snaps, refresh the page, and now you can save the video and take a screenshot from that application that you just recorded. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.